Today we are going to make a super easy beachy frame for your vacation memories. All you need is an IKEA frame, glitter, paint, glue, brush, you name it. So now it's time to add an even layer of paint to your photo frame. Please choose a colour that matches the glitter that you've chosen for your frame. Because this is a beachy themed frame, I've gone for light blue and turquoise. Make sure that you completely coat the frame, edges and all, and then once you are absolutely certain that you've covered everything, allow it to dry before you continue with the next step. Once it's dry, it is now going to be time to add an even layer of PVA glue, so you can sprinkle lots and lots of lovely sparkly glitter on top. So I just coated the entire frame. I have skipped on the video a little bit because we would be here forever otherwise, and then I added the glitter evenly and allowed it to dry. Add a coat of clear spray paint just to make sure that your glitter stays where it is. And right now we are going to use more PVA glue to really secure that lovely little seashell to the top of the glittery frame. Next I want you to grab your glue dots and some scrapbook embellishments to decorate your lovely beachy vacation photo frame. I am using the glue dots to attach what was a magnet to the very front of this frame because I think it works very well. And then I'm just going to cut up a little bit of paper and add a date just so I can add it like a little flag. Now whenever you're attaching glue dots, make sure that you really rub down on the plastic before removing it, otherwise it might be a bit of a struggle to get it off. But other than that, they are just amazing to use. I love them. I use them for all of my scrapbooking. And that's it. It is really that simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye!